This guide provides instructions for setting up the Workspot Web App Client. Begin by accessing Workspot Control, then proceed to Setup and Configuration. Make sure to configure the subdomain, as this generates a unique web app URL for each control account. Copy this web app client URL. Next, open a web browser and paste the copied URL. A prompt will appear asking for your credentials. Enter your username, password, and domain, and then click Login. Once logged in, simply click on your desktop icon to access your desktop.